Okay, so this week's weekly update comes from a question that I was asked. And it's really interesting because the senior lawyer in particular asked me a question and said, when I'm moving to a new practice, a new law firm, what is going to be more important? Is it going to be the finances and the clients that I've been doing in the past? Or is it my commitment that I made to technology, AI, and improving the delivery times of the work that he's been doing with his team? So it's basically tech versus finance, I suppose, was the question he was asking me. And I thought it was a really interesting question because for the last 15 years, everything has been about how much money can you bring, what clients are you bringing, what revenues have you done in the last 5 years, and what can we expect in the next 5 years. Money, money, money. You must hit every senior lawyer that listening to this has been interviewed for another partner position, and it's maybe the second or third question is, let's talk numbers, let's talk revenue. So I thought this was a really interesting question. And the answer is not that simple, but at the moment, it's probably still financed just slightly, but most law firms, even small to medium-sized enterprises, are looking for their partners to come in with a sense and a knowledge and a commitment to technology and to AI. And it's going to become really important. Why? Mainly because the clients will not put up with it anymore. They do not want to be paying for you to take weeks and weeks and weeks to do simple contractual work or whatever it might be. They'd rather just jump online and do it themselves. I'm as guilty of that as anyone. I've got a law firm that we use. I was trying to do some employment contracts. I ended up doing them myself because it took no time at all. So that is something that a lot of law firms and lawyers are having to bear in mind. So those that have really adopted technology and are openly trying to learn about Harvey AI or Luminance or any other platform that's very popular with lawyers, that is going to become very, very important over time. It's already important. It may end up being the number one thing that law firms are looking for because their clients will demand that you do things quicker and there's higher volume. Doesn't mean your fees have to come down. It just means you're going to have to use technology to do the work faster. So that was a really interesting question I was asked by a senior lawyer. I would say it's still finance is the golden ticket at the moment. If you're bringing X millions of dollars into the firm, you're still going to get that position. You're going to get paid very, very well for it. But very fast on its heels is the need to embrace technology and to be at the forefront of bringing that into your practice and your delivery.